Hello friends, now we see the unit second network theorem in current electricity. The part 4. In this part, first we see the difference between Thevenin's theorem and Norton's theorem. So what is the difference between Thevenin's theorem and Norton's theorem? First, Thevenin's theorem. The statement of Thevenin's theorem: by using this theorem, any circuit of resistors and voltage sources having two output terminals can be replaced by a series combination of equivalent and voltage source VEQ or VTH, equivalent resistance REQ or RTH. Second point, in this case VEQ or VTH is the voltage across output terminals when output terminals are open circuited. It is also denoted by VOC, open circuit voltage. It is known as output circuit. Thus, the electrical circuit is replaced by Thevenin's equivalent circuit and the current through the load resistance RL can be calculated. Equivalent circuit of Thevenin's theorem. So, this is the normal circuit and equivalent circuit is like this. Here it is the series combination of RTH and VTH. So this is the series combination and it is connected to the load resistance RL. Formula for Thevenin's theorem to find the load current IL. To find load current IL, it is VTH upon RTH plus RL. Using this formula, we can find out the load current through the load resistance. Now Norton's theorem. By using this theorem, any circuit of resistors and voltage sources having two output terminals can be replaced by a parallel combination of an equivalent current source IEQ or IN, an equivalent resistance REQ or RN. In this case, IEQ or IN is the current across output terminals when output terminals are short circuited. Output terminals are short circuited. It is also denoted by ISC. SC means short circuit current. So it is ISC. Thus the electrical circuit is replaced by Norton's equivalent circuit and then current through the load resistance RL can be calculated. Equivalent circuit of Norton's theorem. So this is our normal circuit and it is replaced by this is Norton's equivalent circuit. This dotted line shows that the Norton's equivalent circuit where the current source, Norton's current source and the Norton's resistance RL both are connected in parallel. So this is one of the important point. And the formula of Norton's theorem for load current, that is IL equal to IN Rn upon Rn plus RL. So by using, we can find out the load current in the load resistance RL. Okay, thank you.